As we speak, Jamaica's Reggae Boyz are in the middle of final round World Cup qualifying battle against Trinidad. And the boys can push hard for what would be a priceless victory. And the reason they can go hard for this victory is because we can't afford to lose this game and still qualify for the World Cup by simply beating Curacao at home on Tuesday. So it's almost like a bonus game, a game to go for broke without any fear of losing. Not saying we should be careless, but this game tonight, from the very first whistle, we can press positively for the 3 points to put us on easy street. Now if we get the win, we're on our way and only need a draw on Tuesday. If not, then we still have a game at home on Tuesday to win and qualify. What score? What score? What score? Our score?